As the industry transforms to meet the increasing demands of consumers and the delivery economy setting in, the world is set to see a decade and beyond dominated by deliveries. This doesn't mean just home deliveries or the last mile, but the whole 9 yards that lead to it, including the first and mid-mile. With the evolution of dark stores, micro-fulfillment centers, curbside pickups, and the explosion of various third-party delivery apps, deliveries can become a logistics nightmare in no time. To navigate in this climate, enterprises need an intelligent delivery platform to manage deliveries. This marks the onset of a massive digital transformation in the logistics industry, which is not just a choice, but a mandatory step. Embrace innovation as your biggest strength with FarEye, the low-code intelligent delivery management platform. Adapt to rapid market demands and go to market quicker with a scalable and flexible platform that makes speed your most significant competitive differentiation. We help the world's leading enterprises across all miles and modes to navigate complex challenges in the first, mid, and last mile delivery ecosystem. For retailers that are balancing customer expectations alongside e-commerce readiness and omnichannel fulfillment. For the manufacturers who are managing direct-to-consumer deliveries. For logistics service providers, post and parcel enterprises who want to achieve cost-optimized, on-time deliveries and superior customer experience. One platform, 150 plus customers, pre-built low-code workflow library, wide carrier network. FarEye, the intelligent delivery management platform for enterprises.